Introducing the 2008 GMC Acadia. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It includes leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and power front seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.